guys better subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, because it's about to be fire. Anyway, let's install this Swigiana. Okay guys, I'm about to leave you here on this live. See you next time, Katleho. So that I can focus on filming here. Hey girlies, I'm back. I know I did kind of disappear, but I mean, a lot happened, blah blah blah. So anyway, I'm installing this Dragon City Wig today, and I got it from one of the ladies who sit by the corridors. So if I give you direction, so it's not the main building on the right when you're walking in. It's not the building on the right, it's the building on the left. I mean, it's not the building on the left, it's the building on the right. So it's next to that shop by the corner that has that's like a fake Zara, and the tags have like Z-E-R, Zer. You know that shop with clothes at the corner by Dragon City. It's like a Zara. They sell like knitwear and stuff. So in the same corridor, yeah. When I go back to Dragon City, I definitely will get that lady's number. Really love the color work on this wig. So I went for it. This over here was me when I was bleaching the knots, so that's my bad. I'm really serving you guys aesthetics today. Like, what are you saying? But my fire keeps pausing. Come on, fire. Anyway, so I straightened this wig. I'll put some clips over here because I was also recording for my TikTok. I love it, guys. I love it. I love this hair. I love it. I love it. So on camera, when I'm looking at it right now, it looks a bit reddish, but it's actually like a really sweet copper brown. I also used my purple shampoo to tone down the brassiness, so it really is giving like copper brown with like dark roots. This wig is a 28-inch, but I can tell that she used just one bundle because the ends are so thin. But I'm not mad. I was here for the color work, and also I realized that the thinner your wig is, the more natural it looks. That's why brands like Hair Vivi have like such thin, low density wigs. It's because it's just giving natural. What I'm really worried about is this lace, child. I did bleach the knots and I did use some foundation on it, but now we have to go in. So the way they constructed this wig as well, it's giving glueless because it's on my head, it's like tight. And how I know is that they try to make it glueless is because the lace gets all the way up to here. So let's go in. I'm so excited. I actually didn't like this wig. When I bought it, I'm like, damn, like what a waste of my money. But after washing it and straightening it and it looks this good, I was like, yes man, let's go in with these clips that I got from Foschini. It cost me an arm and a leg. Why do clips need to be that much? These clips on Shein are like 10 Rand for 40 of them or something. I'm so excited, but I'm so nervous about this install because anything can happen, you guys. Anything can happen. If I cut the lace wrong, something. So you know what? I'm not gonna do this on my head. The lady who sold this hair to me sold it for 2.3, which honestly I feel it's a ripoff, but it's worth it. So because I'm dealing with really thick lace here. Ooh, guys, this is either gonna be a real death. Can you see? I can already. It's transparent lace. It's the pads. It's honestly the bottom. So, Lamabantu, they cut this wig. I'm gonna need to go in some more. Dragon City, my girl. I'm scared. And I'm never scared when it comes to an install. I'm never scared. First time for everything, I guess. But I'm also excited. It's like, you know, my fire keeps stopping. That's so annoying. That's annoying me so much. Ruining my vibe, the feel of the video. This doesn't go well. It's so tight. My ear. But it's she's gonna be just fine. I actually think she's gonna be just fine. Let's have faith, guys. We're gonna blend her in, and one thing I don't like doing is using foundation to blend my lace. I hate it because it's only good on camera, not in real life. Honestly, the only positive thing about transparent lace is that it doesn't give up on you quickly when you start sweating, like HD lace. HD lace releases itself and says, "Hey, you're on your own." But transparent lace will hold on for a bit. So I guess that's the only positive. But the color, bitch, you lie. The only part that I truly messed up on this wig was this part when I was bleaching the knots. So I'm kind of excited. And I shouldn't be. Look at I will need to do sideburns. It's making my head look funny. Let's go in with baby girl. So I want to do a no part look. So I'm gonna let this sit. I'm gonna let it sit for 30 minutes, guys, because yeah, the going is getting tough. And then I'll come back to just do the finishing touches on it. But so far so good, man. Not bad. I think this wig would have been just fine had they not pulled it too much for it to be glueless. If I could just do sideburns, I think it would sit really nicely. Okay, I'm back in a flowy dress. I'm not gonna show my dress, you guys, because my boobs are not sitting the way I would like them to sit. So we're gonna continue on with, but first, some water. Let me put my fan on because I'm sweating. This dress is so beautiful, guys. When I have small boobs, I will wear this dress. But I wore it. I bought it just, it's that dress from Luella. I bought it just as like motivation for me to get my breast reduction. So yeah. I'm so nervous. I'm not gonna lie. I'm so nervous. Okay, famous thing. Okay, I hear you. I hear your chat. I'm gonna clean it up a bit. But she is nice. She is nice. Now I'm feeling her for real. Ooh, hey guys. No, but she's not bad. Let me do what I don't like doing. Just putting some foundation on her. I don't like doing this, guys. And it'll never blend. Like, this thing is transparent. It'll never ever blend. Okay. And you know, I only see these things after while I'm editing, that it's not sitting properly. So let me clean up now, because I'm gonna hate myself when I'm editing and I see that it's not. I'm also not gonna beat myself up, guys. Oh, what? Unfortunately, this is my reality. She's definitely eating, like, and I'm not going to open apart. Guys, even makeup can't help it. But she is gorgeous. She's so mature. And if I part, I'm gonna have to press this out, and I don't want to press it out. But this is what it would look like, middle part. This would be a side part. Very nice. I think also I'm so used to not doing baby hairs anymore that transparent lace needs you to do baby hairs to cover it up, but I'm not gonna fall for it. Honestly, this is a wig, and those that have questions, they'll answer themselves. But look at this color. Look at this color. It's eating. And in person, guys, it's do you think I'm gonna wear it like this? Like an undefined part. This is it. We're done. I'm not used to transparent lace. I'm not gonna cap. I'm not used to this. This is not my thing. Transparent lace is something that I don't deal with on a daily basis, y'all. So this was me just doing my best to customize it and get it to look cutesy. But she is just gorgeous. She is. What? Let me put on some earrings, bitch. Let's really eat this look out for real. I got these earrings on sale at Foschini, and I think I already have a pair like this. At this point, I have like 3 of these. One pair is like a bit smaller. The other one is like a Bottega dupe. Oh, I also forgot to put mascara. Ooh, who cares? Who cares about mascara? Wait, hold on. Ooh, at this corner. Yo, I'm not built for this. Ooh, guys, I'm so sad I can't show you my dress. I think that's just the only thing that sucks, because this dress is nice. I'll put a little clip where I'm hiding my boobs. I went in obviously with my bangles because I am nothing without chunky jewelry. I'm honestly leaving this lace like this because I don't owe it anything. I don't owe you a perfect lace, baby. Cover my boob. If I get an oopsie. I got this last year, the MVP lipstick, and I've really never worn it. I hope it doesn't ruin things. Oh my word! I think I should have kept it nude. This is what I don't like about Fenty Beauty lipsticks. You see this? Because I have another one that does this. 600 for this. I don't know. I don't know if I should have went with a bold lip. I think it just takes away. No, actually, this when I wear this dress, I'm not gonna wear it with a red lip. It's not giving. I think it's taking away from the hair and the dress and just like my color scheme. This is too much. Unfortunately, the lip is on. So this is the final look, girlies, look, I love this wig. I will be wearing this wig. Definitely not gonna be my everyday, but like for an event or like going out. I'm just so, I can't stop touching it. It just feels so good. I'm just not sure if that lady will have more of these, because you know how they customize one wig at a time. These are my jewels as usual. Facts that I can't even say go get this wig, because yeah. And no pot, are you kidding me? No pot, no baby hairs, no. This is gorgeous. Girl, I'm gonna home, girl. But when I do go outside, I'll show up. Alright girlies, thank you for watching. I will definitely be styling this wig more on my TikTok and my Instagram if I post. I hope you like it. And remember, these are wigs, these are not our real hair. For anyone who tries to bully you into melting your lace like it's your scalp, then you should cut them off, block them. Imagine once I've bumped it. I've been very busy the past few weeks, that's why I haven't been able to post, but I'm back. I'm stable now, things are a bit, so I will be posting some more, styling more wigs, and hopefully buying more wigs, because these wig companies are not reaching out and I'm annoyed. That's it. See you guys in my next video.